Hey Zenbeez, missing me? Well, I'm here to just check on you and to let you know that we will be now going back to our weekly videos that are posted every Tuesdays and Fridays. So stay tuned. I'm here also to make an announcement. So many of you have been asking me about SERENE, my monthly membership program, and requesting me to reopen the doors for the same. Well, we had not planned on this, but this is our Diwali gift to you. Wish you all a very happy Diwali. The doors for SERENE are going to be opened for 2 days, that is the 4th of November at 9:30 p.m. India time, and it will be open through the 5th, and on 6th at 9:30 p.m. India time we will be closing the doors. So this is a closed membership, which means that we do not open and take in registrations unless we open the doors. So if you've enjoyed OrnateSquare project, you will love SERENE. SERENE is one of a kind membership program. It's with monthly community meetings and weekly projects, resources, and focus on mindful creativity to help you enhance your Zentangle skills and techniques. We call our classes Tangle Party, brimming with camaraderie. Our Tanglers say SERENE is changing their lives. With every stroke of the pen, our minds clear and we connect with our true and best self. So log on to www.sandhyamannestudio.com for more details, and make sure you sign up onto the wait list so you'll be the first one to get to know when we open the doors on 4th of November at 9:30 p.m. India time. See ya. Namaste.